Welcome, friends and family, to Pagan's Beauty. Get ready, friends, to see some hair magic and learn how to do a braidless sew-in. Make sure you always start with nice, clean hair. With the microlinks, you are going to build the bridge horizontally across. It's very important when you're building the bridge to take small sections into the microlinks. Now, after the bridge has been fully created, it's time to sew on the hair. My recommendation is to make sure the needle and the hair that's being sewn on matches the client's or the person's natural hair. This gives the best results. I love that the hair, when installed, it lays way flat, and so it looks way more natural. Beautiful. You repeat the same method as building the bridge on the next row. Friends, at the end of the video, make sure to like, and if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and do that, and comment your favorite part. Thank you so much for watching. Just beautiful results. Until next time, friends. Bye.